Hi, in this video, we'll take a look at the following example. Write an equation for the line passing through the following points, -3, 7 and 2, -3. Let's start with finding the slope. The formula for the slope is change in y over change in x. These two y values come from these 2 points, this one and this one, and the x values come from here and here. So let's take a look how we would plug it in. So -3 goes here, 7 here, 2 in the denominator, and -3 also in the denominator. So in the numerator, -3 minus 7 is -10. In the denominator, here we have minus -3, which means plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. -10 divided by 5 is -2. So we know that our slope is -2. Let's take a look at the point slope form. Here it is. It says y minus y sub 1 equals m times, in parentheses, x minus x sub 1, where y sub 1 and x sub 1, these values come from a point that the line passes through, and m is our slope. We found previously our slope to be -2, and these were the points given to us. For the point slope form, we're going to use one of the 2 points. It doesn't matter which point you use. The line passes through both points, so it's okay to use either or. The point slope form might look a little bit different depending which point you use, but both answers will be correct. So we have y minus y sub 1 equals m times, in parentheses, x minus x sub 1. M is -2, and for the point, I'm going to use this point here with smaller numbers. So y sub 1, x sub 1 is 2, and y sub 1 is -3. So that's how we need to plug it in. Here it is. Now on the left hand side, we have y minus -3. This will simplify to +3, so we have y plus 3. And we leave the right hand side as is, and this is our point slope form. Now we can also use the slope-intercept form. Now we could start it from the beginning and do everything for the slope-intercept form, or we could use the point slope form to get us to y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's start with the point slope form, and what we want to do, first distribute the -2 on the right hand side and then move 3 to the other side. So let's start with distributing the -2 on the right hand side. -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -2 is +4. Next step, let's move 3 to the other side. How do we move 3 to the other side? By subtracting 3 from both sides. Here it is. So 3 minus 3 is 0, so we just get y on the right hand side. And on the right hand side, all we have to do is combine 4 and -3. So we get that y is equal to -2x plus 1. So now we wrote the equation of the line in the point slope form here and in slope-intercept form here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.